Hi, my name is Cătălin Voicu, and I'm a system engineer with N2W. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a DR account for AWS and also how to set it as a secure DR account. First, go to Accounts on the left-hand side, then click the New button and select AWS account. You will be prompted to enter a display name, so I'm going to call mine DR account 1. I will be able to select the user for which I want to create this account and select between account types, backups, and DR. I will select DR. From the authentication drop-down menu, you will be able to select assume role, and you just have to input the account number that you want to add. So I will copy my AWS account number for the DR account that I'm planning to add in the console, and the role to assume. This is a role that I have created in the DR account, similarly to the IAM role that I am using for my N2W EC2 instance. You will download the permissions from our permissions knowledge base, and it will be the identical ones that you already have. So you need 3 files, permission 1, permission 2, and permission 3. You need to create 3 policies, 3 IAM policies with those, and then you're set. If you are ready, you can click the Save button. If you want to enable a secure DR account, you simply click this checkbox. By enabling this, you will be able to select what options will be prohibited, right? For example, you can go and say delete snapshots should be a prohibited permission. So you can take backups with our tool, you can send them to the DR account, but then the retention will not clean up those backups. You will have to do it manually in AWS, or you will have to create a script for that, or some sort of internal rule that will do the cleanup for you. But this will ensure that your backups are being taken, stored in the DR account, but then they are not getting deleted by our tool. When you're done, just click on the Save button, and you have successfully added your secured DR account.